Hey guys, couldn't really see the snowstorm the other day when I was in it. I feel like you can see this one on Broad Street in Philadelphia. Yep, just getting caught in a blizzard. Anything for views. Hey guys, I'm John Hutz Jr. This is Trisha. I'd like to welcome you to our vlog. Hey guys, we were at a light show in Swedesboro, New Jersey. Look at all this. We have it sync to the radio too. Guys, it's 100% real. Got an email from the apartment people saying that they're gonna tow cars who don't have their tags up, but the cars are covered in snow. So how are you gonna check tags? I don't know.